video and subscribe.
So today we're going to be learning how to use a 3D pen. So this is one in my hand right now. It's not on because you can see it's gray. And this thing right here is called filament. I have more of them right here. I got a lot more filaments. So yeah, it's like a hot glue gun if you ever used one before. So this is, you have to wait for it. So when you turn it on, it's red, and it might take a lot of time to get ready to start. And then when it turns green, you can use it. And this right here is the charger cable. Right here, that's where you charge it. Now it's green, and this is a charger, if you couldn't see it, and this is a charger. And now let's get started. So first press this big button to make the filament come out. And if you want to lift it up right now, when it first comes out, you can't because it's melty. And also it makes a sound. And you also have to wait for it to dry, and it might take a long time or a short time. It's dried, kind of. And I made a square. It kind of doesn't look like a square to me, but it might to whoever's watching this video. So, also remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And now I'm gonna trace a circle. The circle is kind of like the guide I had for the Sprunky videos. And I'm just filling the circle in. And if you want it to be faster, you can also just dab on it to make it look smooth. Like this. So make sure to fill it in slowly or the filament will get attached to your pen. And when you can't see it anymore, and when it's all gone, just put a new filament in like that. Mine hasn't ran out of filament yet, so I can still use it. And you could touch it when it goes onto the thing. And you cannot do it on paper or other things than this, because it'll stick to it and then you won't be able to get it off. So you have to use this. And I peeled it off. And it's supposed to flash green when you use it. Okay, I'll restart, because if you mess up, you can just restart.